my name is Amanda, I'm a registered dietitian, and today I want to share with you a quick weeknight dinner recipe. It's my hummus encrusted chicken, and the best part is you can use whatever type of vegetables you have on hand and any flavor of store-bought hummus. Let's get started. What we need for this recipe is some chicken breast, skinless, boneless is ideal, and then for the seasoning we'll be using salt and pepper, garlic powder, oil of your choice, either avocado oil or olive oil, store-bought hummus, any flavor, and then some red onions and vegetables of your choice. Today we're gonna be using sweet potatoes, broccoli, and carrots. First step is we wanna season our chicken and let it marinate for half an hour. So stir your hummus, and now we're gonna put a big dollop on top of each chicken breast. Alright, so spread out all the vegetables evenly across the pan, and now it's time to bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's check it out. Nice, juicy, tender chicken. And there you have it, a simple hummus encrusted chicken that you can change up the flavor every week by purchasing a different flavored hummus. Hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do, and until next time, relish every bite. Just kidding, I'm allergic to chicken, but I made this recipe for you guys.